Until then, ebusianfo, colleges of education. Colleges of education, where our handsome and our beautiful, our intelligent teachers are trained. Maybe I had training a teacher for no. Ebusianfo, munim say, since November 2025, November, December, January, for the past 3 months, the teachers of colleges of education have been on strike till today. Colleges of education nationwide, name a teacher for schools training colleges. They are on strike for the past 3 months. They are supposed to resume, the students are supposed to resume a week but it has been postponed again to February. There are some postponing colleges of education reopening. Adentia a teacher for was strike for the past 3 months. Economy Ayɛka say kwen economy bibia ye no. Economy na ye no. Teachers are on strike for the past 3 months. And there is no single college of education. Say Ayɛka our mind we teaching is ongoing. No single one. Not one. And this is the country that Ghanaians have handed over to John Mahama. And this is what people were praising for. This is what people told Ghanaians say. If you want to protect the ballot with your life, no. Protect the ballot with your life. Enunye. Ebinye. Teachers on strike 3 months, you are owing them. And before they went on strike there, now they were talking, they were giving notices. Abang does not care. The government of John Mahama does not care. And never seen. And that is what we are seeing. And this strike, there is no sign it's going to end anytime soon. And South February, I are postponing reopening to Krano. It to become indefinite. This is the kind of country that we were all vouching for. This is why you did everything possible for a year NPP grassroots for to say omunko to abano. This is why you made a certain chief come up with tribal issues to cause a dissatisfaction or Ashanti region honor. This is why you did all those things. To come and own nurses, teachers, and even training colleges to be closed down, to all old soldiers. Hey! Now, when you look at the progress on my way, and make it under NPP, for us to now come and settle with what we are seeing now, mobile brutal. I will not lie to you. It's very, very, it's sad and appalling. You just cannot believe it. Say on my way the tangent on which we were, the trajectory on which we were, and we were able to exchange all of that. We were able to exchange all of that for what we have today. God have mercy on us. Who am mobile? Who am mobile? Ebusian for next topic. Let me know in the comment section if you're enjoying the show.
And yes, College of Education. Bese na kakra nie ne beto dwa se. On etrade o hono se omo eko strike. Omo akọ strike e de aba besi nne amene o kasai. wɔn ensign enko biem obekaya na wɔn kan hyehyɛ a wɔn ne aban ɛwɔ a wɔsenka yetua sika edema wɔn besi na yentua mfema wɔn no ne ma wɔn ɛwɔ strike mu no na ɛda ne nkɔsɛ nkɔmɔ edi bie no matese abiri wɔn asan so a extend no yɛde kɔ February mu wɔ baabi because ne nkɔsɛ nkɛba 19th January ba matese yɛde kɔ February mu wɔ baabi ma me nkɔ amaso na mini student emo enkomo oye trainee or gentity abe teacher ni. Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Madam Nempombo ko de.
Radia dumo pachana so.
Na me adum yenso ye ho ye pa. Minim sa strike yi omo sha ase da ben.
Pacho strike ne de omo sha ase around 15th November there about.
15th November.
Until now, striking him. The teachers for no striking him near school. I could be teaching near mature idea, but near the school campus. Not vacation date near 12 December. A Jew on no more head than a best. It's a free November end the neighboring near to school more about it and Nibian tray idea. The amount going by December, and it's a reopening date near 19th January. And he said, last week, I one year saying information said, your postponing date near the court 9th February. I no crying still not the tax for any say, or more demand, no still not buying no and share, and you know. Omo call it up the strike. In Empire Kwan Yabo say 9 February no kwa draw on some train question say still now month me back on the chair there. Tinampa cho de oh no.
A convention as I do we are affect mu.
Say somebody say level 100 for ya beg. Ya ba school more. Just for a week, and no call strike. Into a mono campo dear, or more than ya experience the hour. Teachers for Nisem, or book I met me a saw about school and check and no call strike because ye be a school na ni 2 weeks per pen or mother call strike. Into no level 100 for no mobile late November no call your book when she had to turn in pony a strike till date. And no continue students no woman so. Obi anko class into na kwa say one kasana obepe with studies be no why and no one say a teaching school more and me affect you baby because last me one I think I should tell you na baby a bit change mu to call for book no na want to say just about your own research then they affect you na
Hosem pa because this is not the first time. Ome away from level 100 side you could see level 300 almost you see almost suffer strike.
Yes, because last year I saw call strike.
Appeal by as a trainee, appeal by now be make it to government.
Oh, wait there. A best job by no parents says another. On teachers for you to fair. No more crash and one crane you wanna say or quite on the first one. Or make me cry their play their show, Missy, say, another saying it that say no. They are more sharing there, by our mom, yes, so. Say, quite be on the first one, make me a teacher for Nakasa. I'm on Makuma Tom William. Same promote me in far or more sick and more to see ya. Omo pe kwan bi so mo akoma ntom we no mo ntimi mbra e me che ya de e say it next year to do e bi wa obe here say ni ma practical work bi na ntimi advanced research na me wa adwem wo san yema ni na nso onye obi a obe guide through that so the best job by the pastor is so mother omo ni a church for ni nkasa ma ye pa macho.
All right, madam, yeah, that's it. Papa. Ye bompa ye say nyankopon ya adoma. Say date ya or the say saying date near saying
9th February.
9th February. Okay. Ye bompa ye say no na entiase ye adwuma no mo atimi aba abekire mo ade. All the best. Ye da senso.
Okay, thank
All right. Me will say a teacher trainees association of Ghana or more appeal to government say urgently or engage colleges of education teachers association of Ghana. Now no more enkomo. Now we can very resolve it the air cost one. Also omunko no more strike na ese fi nsi. Who say o crowd to on the one TV. It's a BBNC, but a serious power. Baby, omo na trainee and teachers am I. Omo a chade or in classrooms are who do na no. Omo na trainee omo. And it is no enya good training ness or babontia. Oh, you can imagine. And minim the bit me aye at their phone. Okay, many final year student. Also, we see a final year student. My men no more enkomo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Say pomu ya boko de.
Nyame adum na nso e.
Nyame adum. Bibi ntimi mpese obebo udi. Okay. Oh, you final year student.
Bachai.
Okay. Next level 300, right?
No, level 400.
Sorry, level 400. Okay. Yeah, oko school ni na oya strike the door be say na aba. Ubetimi akai.
Oh. Metuma has a strike be 4-5 because every semester be a course strike, your lectures no course strike. Sometimes it's me debate 2 months. Sometimes 1 month. Now lectures number class that.
Nese we ni de enye news mamu.
Yeah, mom de enche na nye new ten my sir. Even your call first year no kwa no more strike.
Enti eba ne sa mo ye den affect mo.
Oh, affect you in a way because adia be 12 or 16 weeks ebesiano. I was here the 5 weeks and 6 weeks in the year. Lecture no watch on end of semester over control. You understand? Work control end of semester no. End of semester exam no. Sana course from first year. So I think level 200 second semester somewhere July. I'm call strike no in July. I think I'm gonna resume after 15th August. So okwan na to school. Okwan one so now person okofi. I don't know what kwetena fie sa. I'm there so I'm to omo books amount. I'm expect so obesua.
Yeah, say more out me boa.
Bachai.
Enti mo nso mo at the same mo supervisors ne ba.
Tabio. Some more strike. Your supervisors from one lecturers no. Into more strike inti supervision ne the ombeba just say bia oma call strike ne off. Into sisi ya na ye be academic calendar ne so na ye be wie out program no 7th March. Sunday also. Inti say more strike say more beba so mba ye ni. Yeda say anopa bi adware na ya school no supervision. Inti yenim say bia your date na ye de be wie we no 7th March no besa postpone na na say yenim ti omo ye.
But omo communicate bibia mamu.
Dabio. Yes, coordinator chere say the Embro school.
And they say oh classroom na na ka say.
Bachai.
All right. Yeah, that's it. My info unsia na to jumaso. Actually besa abonko bi.
Okay, that's it.
All right. We so a final year student. Omo crowd omo outside. And he was in supervisors ko na omo ko supervisor omo ena the SC eno no. Inti yewe say e bia ene no chine ya ombetimi atu anamo bi amaye ya because me say honorable Haruna Idrisu o kan ho asem say omo ye do ombetimi say de be ya omo be resolve sa issue no ba em sa che ache ana omo no de no sika no em say eye ya na ye tu sika mo mo na eye ya
on say you obi ka as a group bi ho a na a do point bi akwame unya impression bi say as omu hu say dan hia on say oko health field ho a you groupings ni bi o ma omutimi nya bi omu consensus bi no mo de aba abonten omo be kasa saa bi for a whole year na omu say dan response bia na akwa kodu say omo say e strike. O de laboratory technicians me de omo de no ma as instance wo health side ho omo be kasa say obi amfa omo ho this is true say omo say adwuma ne yagai ye kotena fie na akwansa colleges of education enye na asem brano bete omo say na ye feeding asem eye we asem na just omo twene saa
it is 2024 collective agreement.
Yes, I want AI say, I say, na hwana asomamo. Eti baby yo hono ma kasa kwa. Obi kwa jozi hu ahaya ukure. Asem kra ba kra yemfi mo. Eti yemma ekoye ti say baby yo ho a ye review ebimo. Ese ebimo service there. Ebimo service there hu say dan hia.
Ba hu say ban seriousness or so.
That is the point. You be from sisi a.
Resolve baby num there.
Ase fo bia hu. But adwuma na ye oman na oman tetere no. Ebi so bi mu na bia som be bia ni ho agu bia no no kwa betima ya adwuma in isolation sometimes so court say in universities na administrators a wo ho no angel na obete almost say ye two tag for crowd ye buy almost say there be sisi ade ye nya adwuma no ye bejai because obuebusa omo no na for a whole year omakasa saa ebi mo ya administrators na omo na universities no be koso a adwuma omo ye no eno na eboa because omo de no omo jigu pe lecturers so hwan bon se adwuma ni nya beba standstill just omo kasa na omo ko hu tintini nyina ba but ko omo saase na omo consensus no ebi a yesi oh ya memorandum of understanding na ya ma ebi a working plan say na eko ye diso baako mienu miensa na eko a omo aresimu say ye anamo na yetu no afredi ye koye mu yuwio eno a bam eno ano na atiada na so odi say ekoya eno na bedu ba nu kwa me ye particular area bi obi ampese obekọ ho because what they ukui as a yemfa ho okọ ade u deserve e wo mram kura say wo say de ma no eno kura won sanka obekasa mo ani abre na wo consider say ebi mo amafo bi omo other field no omo do omo bi omo ano a na ya ma wo mo a obisa ho say no ye koya na say ye bae says sika se ese anobre ma abato sika na eni ho a enkomo kwa no be bone ne hyehyɛ no mo hunu sɛ ene mo maye bia te sɛ na meka soja fodi omo sei wo de mo maye hunu sɛ ekwan a wo fa so atua maye nie na sɛ me ko sere obi agye bo se won ho kora na me hu nkomo a me ne bedi we de da obi a no nka hwe it how do you survive areho but me last idea is omo kutemu kakra omo mo mabamu omunya resimu na said the omo ehwe ni mo kwa me yempem ko bia na free na ekono na education minister any government officials ati omo sufre na je so watu ho ana mo ama omo
okay transport still na no da so